Hey guys, how's it going? It's that time of the year again. I am on the way to IRCHA 2026. I'm about an hour into the drive. It's an 8-hour drive, so didn't get out of the house as soon as I wanted to, so I'll be there pretty late, around 10 o'clock probably, but not a big deal. Should be a pretty fun one this year. A lot of the OMP guys from Europe are making their way across the pond and are going to be at IRCHA this year. It was a really good time when they were here a couple years ago, so it'll probably be a really good time this time too.
I'm up. Comfortable. I know.
Oh no. Anyway, not gonna bore you with the drive. I'll see you on the other side. All right. There is AhDah. It's kind of dark now, but we made it. So Chris and Robert are already here. Chris got here about an hour ago, I think. Robert got here yesterday. There's the golf carts. And you can see there's already a lot of people here. Let's go find out where Chris and them are. Yeah, there it is. That looks vaguely Chris shaped. They're getting generator set up. First try. Let's check out the domicile. Nice. Outdoor food wrappers.
Yeah,
must have. I decided for the first time ever to bring with me a 3D printer. So under all this crap, it's my old Voron 0.2. Old itty bitty printer. I kind of stopped using it once I got my bamboo, but it's a nice little portable, fully enclosed printer. Alright, we got Dan over here with an M2.
Don't forget it's in the front of his truck. There you go. Yeah. Oh, wait, we gotta restart the tail rotor. I caught the tail rotor. Stalled it out. Yeah, don't like that. The battery might be getting I hope it was fun to watch.
Well, everybody's pretty much gone to bed, but I wanted to test out my printing setup. This is my V0. And we're going. One last hop up for the night. We'll see you tomorrow. Alrighty. It's Monday morning. Out there mowing one last time, I guess. Ready to go.
Perpendicular. I don't like any pants. My man.
Yeah, it should be right there.
Oh, my girlfriend is sleeping, so I'll have to wait.
We're getting our canopy set up now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there will be more in our little block of OMP guys. Just about done with the initial canopies. The world's longest rope light goes all the way down here, over to the middle, all the way back down, all the way back down the other side, down, and over into mine. Almost makes it all the way across. Alright, so we got Patric's camper that needs to be moved because it's way over there and that's not okay. And there's a bunch of mud here.
It's a 50-50 shot.
50-50 whether it gets stuck or not, because he is stuck. So
Hell yeah!
my Segway has got a totally flat tire. I was riding it around in Atlantic and it started making a funny sound. This tire is totally flat, so hopefully it just lost air because it's tubeless. Otherwise I might have to find a patch kit. Alright, well, it took pressure, so that at least means there's not a giant hole in the tire. Hopefully the air stays in there. Alright, I got an M4 out and my M7 out. Charging the M4 right now. We'll do a little bit of flying. Look at all those bugs. Oh my god. Holy. They're everywhere. Alright, Patric's gonna fly. He says he's just gonna hover, but I don't believe him. Told you. What? That was some intense hovering, man. Well, I went to go fly it after updating to rotor flight 2.3, and the ESC is being very strange. So I think they figured it out. I loaded a diff from rotor flight 2.2, and I think it screwed up my DMA or timers or something on the throttle channel, or throttle output. So I just reflashed firmware back to the defaults and then copied only the parts that I wanted out of the diff instead, and it began to work. So I flew it already, did not record it, but it seems good to go. So yeah, I don't think I even ended up flying this at Chill Out this year, so it hasn't flown in a while. Charging it back up and we'll go again here in a bit if it's not too dark. If it is too dark, then we'll wait till it's darker and then use spotlights. All right, well, it's about 10:30, 11 o'clock. Got my M4 Max and my radio, and I'm gonna go fly over here at center stage. Looks like we got fog rolling in again tonight. Just kidding, the M4 is being a little goofy, so I'm gonna fly the M2 instead. It did kind of cut out a little bit.
That was sick.
Whoa!
This flies so weird. Holy shit.
Why does it fly weird? Different rates?
Something about it, man.
I mean, something's bent. I'm sure you can hear it. It should just be the newest firmware.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't care. I have parts.
Oh, no.
We gotta measure it. How far does it go to the blade?
Oh, no. Dude.
So,
I've never had.
blades over here.
I've
Two,
never had parts
3,
come apart like
4
that.
paces.
Oh, you're good. You just need a feathering shaft. All your thrust bearings should still be in there. Score.
It might still be fine.
It's just the main.
Other than-
It's probably just the spindle. That might have
I've
been what was.
never broken this before on any of mine.
Good job. I mean, that might have been a shaft that was already bent. So after replacing it, it might not vibrate anymore.
I'm gonna have a little bit of work ahead of me in the morning. I have 3 M2s to fix now.
Did you not get the memo to like not hit the ground?
What memo?
It was sent out to everybody.
Yeah, okay. No, the thing just popped off, dude. I think we're good there. We'll just snap it right back on. Some pliers.
What pops off the link?
Yeah, off the ball on the circle.
Oh wow, I've never had that
Yeah,
happen.
that's what I'm saying.
He usually breaks the arm. Interesting. And the ball's still there? Because I have had the balls come out.
Dude, everything is there. Oh, we're missing one pitch.
Oh,
I got you, bro. I have an extra.
I have so many.
That's it, dude.
Not bad.
You can't. Oh man, you can't.
It was already fucked up.
Really?
Yeah.
So I didn't do that.
Nope.
You could be blaming all this on me, bro.
Oh well.
Well, sorry, bro. I got
Okay.
you on parts in the morning, though.
If you didn't crash it, I was gonna crash it. Alright, putting some stuff away and heading out for the night. We'll see you tomorrow.
Subscribe to the channel.